Good day, family. Welcome back to my channel. Like I said in my previous video, there are so many ways of earning on Binance, and today we want to look at auto invest. And if you have money lying down, you have BTC USDT lying down in your Binance wallet, you can invest it and then be earning something small on it. And so I'm going to take you straight to Binance, and we're going to look at how to go about it. So this is the app. You click on Binance, and so we look for, make sure your account is verified. I'll leave the link below. You click the link, and if you don't have an account, you create it. And so we go to more, then you can get the auto invest here, but if it's not there, you can come down. Let's go down to end. It's at the end session. And so yes, this is the end session. So we have the auto invest here. So we click on it. Let's wait for it to load. So kindly subscribe to my channel and like and comment. So this is where it's taking. We have the single token. We have the preset plan. The one Binance will be giving us. So if you want to create your own, you can click here and create it. But because we are beginners, or because we don't have much in depth in Binance, so we want to use the preset one. And so let's go to the preset plan. And so they've already done some, they've created some already. And so like the first one, BTC and ETH, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so if you want this one, we can, let's click and see how it is divided. Let's see. Let's click on it and see. Okay, kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed, and comment. And okay, this is divided 50-50. I thought, okay, 50-50. So that is how this one is divided. If we can check the second one too, this one thing has 4. Okay, this is how it is divided. 40, ETH is 40, ARP is 20, Matic for 20, and OP 20. And so when you invest in this, they'll share it among these 4. And so it's another good one. Okay, by this time Matic, I think Matic is going down, but you all the same. Yes. So this one is another good one. If you like this one, you can copy. Okay, let's see. We have the big 3. We have the 10, the top 10. Okay, let's see the top 10. Okay, the top 10 to, okay, it's divided 10%, 10%, 10%. Okay, so when you invest here too, they'll divide it into 10 equal part. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10%. Okay, so let's go back. Let's assume we want to choose the first one. Okay, so let's assume we want to copy. Click the copy and click read it before you press the understand. And so it will bring you to this surface, and then it's shared 50-50. Then you click the amount you the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency you are holding. In this case, I'm using USDT. Okay, I don't have, because I'm trading features. I don't have USDT. I have only 0.5. So you can choose daily if you want, daily, monthly, weekly. It's the recycling one. Okay, what day do you want? Is it Tuesday, Monday? Okay, then the time, we choose what time. Also choose the time. Let's see, maybe 9. Okay, let's go. Okay, the amount. Okay, they say the list is $2, and so but I don't have, because I'm trading, I don't have USDT now. And so basically this is how to invest here and earn on it. Kindly subscribe and press the notification bell and comment as well. Thank you very much.